Yesterday was the very first time I went live online on my Telegram channel because we've gotten to 1,000 members on my Telegram channel. And besides that, I wanted to test my wireless connection on how you can connect up to 28 cameras in a live video. But now it's not even up to 28 cameras. You can connect up to 38 cameras in a live stream. If you want, you can connect 5. If you want, you can connect 10. But that is not why we're here. I got this question from one of my awesome subscribers on this channel, and he's also a member of my Telegram channel. And here is the question he asked me.
So the last one is I am just asking if an application that will be linked to many cams or any device of streaming of live streaming that you can call anybody in any country, and when you speak, even if the person is an Italian, even if the person is from Italy, when you speak, the person will, what will I say? The application will be set in the form of, if the person speak to you in Italian, you will get the message in English.
And if you speak in English, the person will hear it in Italian.
Yes, yes. I don't know if there is something like that. Yes, I don't know if there is, if it actually exists.
Now, this is my answer to his question. I came across something like that. The owner of Facebook, the owner of Instagram, and the owner of WhatsApp, which is Mark Zuckerberg, designed a platform like that. I will make more research on that. But from the information I got from the one he designed, is another AI technology that he designed, he did not put if you can use it on a live stream. You know, you can make an image to speak any of your language, but that connection of live streaming is what I am not really sure. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand. I get you.
So, but I will since you brought this thing to my notice, it's a very good idea because I know so many people will still want that kind of stuff, you know, to be able to communicate other of their friends or, you know, whoever.
Yes, yes. Yeah, in so many countries, yeah.
And the person will be hearing it in German.
So that the conversation, so that the conversation will be fluent.
Yes, I get what you're saying. It's an awesome idea, and you know, technology is fast growing, so many things are happening.
Yes.
So the fact that you brought this to my notice now, okay, I am still going to jot it down, okay, change language on video, on live video call. So I will, between now and Tuesday or Wednesday, tomorrow is public holiday, I will make sure I do research on this, and whatever I find out, I will let you know. I would like you personally, because of what I promised I'm going to give you, the software I'm going to give you for free, I would like you personally to make sure you write me on my Telegram personal profile, okay? If you have my WhatsApp, you can still write me on WhatsApp, but if you write me on my personal Telegram profile, I will give you my direct WhatsApp number so that I can update you on anything, any findings, okay?
All right, sir.
So, I really, really do appreciate, you know, so you just made my day. This is the first time I'm coming live online, and I'm really looking for a way to test my device, you know. But please, before you go, you can see me, right?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay. Now that I've switched to another camera, can you see me?
I can also see you.
And the camera has switched, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm on a different camera. Can you see me on a different camera?
I can see you, sir.
Okay, good, good. Thank you so much. That is all. I just want to find out if my switching is working perfectly because I have another online training.
It's working fine, sir.
Okay, okay. That's awesome. You know, so
yeah, I can see you.
Please make sure you write me on my personal Telegram so that you can get your MoneyCam unlimited version, lifetime version. You're not paying monthly, yearly, 50 years, 100 years. You will have the software for free.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it.
And I will do the installation for you.
I'm grateful, sir.
You're welcome. And please, I want you to listen to this.
All right, so our team developed the first speech-to-speech AI translation system that works for languages that are only spoken and not written, like Hokkien. Pengjen, who's one of the researchers on this project, is here to give us a demo.
你好 ，Mark。你敢知影咱的团队打造第一个支持口语语言的翻译系统？
Hi Mark, do you know that our team created the first translation system to support a spoken language?
Yeah, this is great. Hokkien is spoken by millions of people, but since there's no standard writing system, that makes it pretty challenging to build a translation system like this.
这实在是真赞，有数百万人讲福建话，但是并无一个标准的书写系统，这互打造翻译系统变甲真困难。
无毋对，伫我细汉的时阵，伫学校无咧教福建话，伊是透过口语一代一代传落来的。
That's right, Hokkien was not taught in schools when I was a kid, and it is passed down orally from generation to generation.
Do you speak it with your kids?
你敢有对你的囡仔讲？
有啊，佮我的爸母。
Yes, and my parents.
Well, thanks to your research, now we can all understand it too.
First of all, thank you so much, Chukwunonso, for being there for me yesterday and making my day, because yesterday was the very first time I went live online and I was asking people to call in and ask me questions so that I would know the next thing I'm going to create on this channel. I have lots and lots of videos that I want to create on this channel, but I wanted to hear from you guys to know the ones that will come first, because I have to tackle your problem, the kind of issues you're having or the kind of problem you're having. I want to face it first, but after asking so many people to call in, like 6-7 people came in online, but nobody was able to call in. And please, I want you guys to always call in anytime I go live online, because when you guys communicate with me, that is when I will know the kind of video I will create immediately. And this is a wonderful question, okay? I told this guy that I'm going to make this available on Tuesday or by Wednesday, but because he was the person that was there for me yesterday, I needed to communicate with someone because yesterday was the very first time I went online. So I decided to treat this urgently, okay? And because of this, Chukwunonso, anything I find out about this particular topic, if it's going to be an online training, you're going to be getting it completely free. You're not paying one dime for the online training. I'm giving it to you for free. Yesterday, I gave you a software for free. And any of my online training that you'll be purchasing on this channel, I'll be giving you 30% discount. But for this particular topic, you are getting it free once I get it solved. Now, my question to you guys is, how many of you would like me to drop this hit? This is a hit. This particular topic is a hit, okay? Yes, Mark Zuckerberg has created the platform, but how can you make it to work on a live stream? That is why you guys have me here, and I'm going to treat that as soon as possible. I am going to make it work. And please, if you're watching this video, I didn't go live online on YouTube yesterday, okay? Because I was trying to connect multiple cameras in my live stream and switch and see how it looks. And everything was so perfect. It was streaming perfectly. All the method I used in connecting all those devices was very smooth. There was no single problem. Everything was just working perfectly. So for those of you that still wants to learn how to connect up to 28 cameras for churches, for gym, for event centers, for companies, for different organizations, I will be talking about that much later, okay? The online training is coming very, very soon this month, ending of this month, which is April. But first of all, I'm going to release how to stream games online. Streaming games online, most of you neglect streaming games online, but online streaming of games is a very big industry that, let me just be sincere to you. If you stream games online for 2 years, okay, you might not even remember me because you have a lot of money. By the time you stream different games online for 2 years and have up to 500 to 600 videos on YouTube, I don't need to tell you how much you'll be making. You won't be making money only on YouTube. You'll be making money from different ways, which I'm going to show you in that online training, okay, on how to stream games online. You can stream games that you're playing on your phone. You can stream games that you're playing on your laptop. You can stream games that you're playing on your PS, on your television. You can stream games that you're playing on your Nintendo, Xbox, any kind of games that appear on your television, or any kind of game that you can play on your PC, and any kind of game that you can play with your Android or iPhone. You can stream it directly on your YouTube, and I will also include how you can stream that same game in multiple platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, every other platform simultaneously at the same time. The whole video will be going to all these platforms. So the traffic is not just coming from YouTube. The traffic will be coming from different platforms. Any platform that you connect, you'll be streaming on that platform. Just by playing one game, you'll be streaming to up to 3, 4, 5, depending on how many platforms that you connect on your live stream. So stick around for those of you that would like to learn how to stream games online. Your niece, your nephew, your younger brother, your younger sister, all those kids that love playing game. See, these kids, you can turn them into money-making machine. Honestly, 2 years from now, you stream online on a steady basis, once a day, once in 2 days, and have up to 500 to 600 videos on YouTube. Whoa, that child will be paying his or her school fees, even if it's 8 years, even if it's 9 years, even if it's 10 years, or even if she's 11 years, whatever her age is, she will be making money. Then, if you are an adult and you want to go into live streaming, please, I beg you, 2 years from now, you will be counting some good money. Just be consistent, and you don't even need to edit. All you need is just the same way you play the game in your television, PlayStation, Xbox, different games. Just stream it. Once you do the connection once, it's all set. So once you put on your game and want to play your game alone or with your friends, stream that game online and be talking. I will show you how you can connect all the device, be streaming the games, and also be showing yourself in any part of your screen, and people will see your reaction and hear your voice. Okay, my live stream yesterday, everything was wireless. There's no single phone that had any hardware attached to it. My earphone, everything was wireless, completely wireless, and it was streaming perfectly. And please bear in mind that if you buy my online training, you have my full support. If you're having any issue, you can give me access to your system anywhere you live around the world. Even if you live in US, Kafantan, Asia, America, Europe, any part of the world, I will log into your system and I will fix that. I am not among those online sellers that once they sell their online training, that's it. They don't care whether you learn it or whether you understand it or not. I'll give you a full support. I will carry you along and make sure that you learn it. Okay? So you have my full support if you're buying my online training. But if you buy my online training somewhere else and you expect me to give you a support, I'm a very sincere person. I'm a very open person. I will charge you. Okay? If you buy my online training somewhere else and you want me to give you support, I will charge you. But if you buy my online training from my platform, you have my full free support. You're not paying a dime for any support or try to help you do anything, log into your system to fix anything. So bear that in mind. So guys, I would like you guys to tell me, because yesterday the topic of my live stream was, I want us to decide which day would you guys want me to be coming live online. And Chukun also said Sunday 9 p.m. Okay, but I want to hear from other people, because it's not just only Chukun also that will be coming live online. Some other people have different schedule and different plans for the weekend. Okay, so I would like you guys to drop your comment in the comment section below this video and tell me, which day do you think will be best for us to be streaming live online? I didn't stream on YouTube yesterday because I wanted to test all my device. Before I stream on YouTube, I must make sure that everything is working perfectly. And yesterday, it was awesome. And please, I would like to hear from you guys on this YouTube channel. And also, those of you that are on my Telegram channel, I would also like to hear from you guys. I'll be streaming on my Telegram channel, but I'll be streaming at the same time on my YouTube, and I'll start streaming on my Facebook and every other platform that I have. So my live stream will be connected to all my platforms. Once I go live online, it will be streaming in every platform. And the good thing about my online streaming is people can call in. If you want to talk on audio, you can call in and we'll speak. If you want to show yourself, you can on your video if you wish, and we'll be communicating, and the audio, everything will be streaming live on all those platforms. Please note that I am going to be teaching all these things in my online streaming, but in my how to stream games online is only about streaming games, okay, and how you can show yourself and every other thing. That is for streaming games. Then connecting up to 28 cameras in a live video, that one is a mega online training, because that is the only thing that gives me 500k per job. I always say this, but you guys think it's a joke. The only thing that gives me 500,000 in just few hours. Once I do that connection, know that I'm going home with 500k, okay? I always say this, but when you guys join that online training, you will understand what I'm saying. If you want to build 300,000, that's your business. I am not building 300,000. What I build is 500,000, because 500,000 for small churches. Big church is under negotiation. I can't tell you what I build for big churches, because everything depends on how many cameras you install and the location of the cameras. But just have in mind that everything is wireless. You're not adding any single thing to any of those devices. So guys, I just want to beg you guys to drop your comments and tell me, please, what is the best day and time that will be going live online on this channel. And also those of you that are watching this video, please drop your comment and tell me if you would like me to drop this heat. Talk in English, and your business partner, your client, your friend, your whoever you're talking to will be hearing it in Italy or in Germany. And when that person speaks, you'll be hearing it in English. So you can be able to communicate with someone. Even if that person does not understand English, that person will be hearing you in Spanish, in German, in Italy, in Chinese, in different language. And whenever that person talks to you, you'll be hearing it in English. Drop your comment in this video and tell me if you would like me to drop that hit. This is a mega hit. So I would like to hear from you guys. Please drop your comment in the comment section. And for those of you that have not joined my Telegram channel, make sure you join my Telegram channel by scanning the barcode you're seeing in front of your screen, or by clicking the link to my Telegram channel below this video. And guys, please make sure you guys always come online whenever I said I am going live online, so that I can have so many people I can communicate with and understand your problem and know what you would like me to create on this channel, because this channel is about you guys, okay? I know all these things, but I'm sharing the knowledge, and I would like you guys to also, ginger me, motivate me to be able to create more things. If you don't ask me a question, I wouldn't know what next, okay, to create that will solve your problem. It's only when you ask me a question, like Tukun also asked me this question. Now, it's very clear that I'm working on this project, and he's getting it completely for free. He's not going to pay anything if it's going to be an online training. So this is all I have for you guys in this video. And please, if you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget, my name is Asuiken Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, I don't need to tell you what to do. Make sure you hit the subscription button and also the bell button, so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.